wena uhluleka
okay yiphi phase engihlulekile ngoba legama lokuhluleka ilona mhlawumbe lenkinga. Didn't I fall pregnant several times given ama ectopic pregnancies? Angizange ngize ngilale esibhedlela ngihlinzwa ngenxa ama ectopic pregnancies. Angizange ngize ungibone ngisafarisha because of that.
Iyona ke
ikhona ukuhluleka lo. Is that what you regard as ukuhluleka? No, I'm asking. Ngifuna ukuba clear because when I'm told ukuthi ngihlulekile ngase mhlawumbe angikhonanga ukukhulelwa.
No.
So angizange ngize yini ngizame nawe.
Ngithi uthi wena mina ngathi uhlulekile. Ngithi wena uthini? Wena uthini?
Ufuna mina ngivumelane nawe ukuthi
no ngifuna uvumelane nami. Ngifuna ukuthi awuhlulekanga. Ungathi mina ngithena wena uhlulekile. No mashobani. Mina nawe sihambile saya esibhedlela after sekwenzekile laba ectopic pregnancy.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. You're very much welcome. Please kindly subscribe to your sister's channel, like the video, share the video as well. Now you guys, as much as I haven't done my reviews on Uthando Nesthembu and all that, like I haven't been uploading lately. I'm sorry, I only throw the videos when I throw the videos. Please put the notification bell on so that you do not miss any of my uploads when I have time. It's quite busy. It's very busy, and I've got other 2 channels besides this one, so sometimes it becomes difficult to make sure I upload on all the channels, you know what I mean. So yeah, you guys, I just want to quickly talk about Makhumalo Mseleku and the whole drama that is happening when it comes to her husband Babu Musa Mseleku. As we know, the polygamist Babu Musa Mseleku with 5 wives. Okay, so now there's something that I didn't like. That was the previous episode or the previous of the previous, whatever it is. I do not know episode what, where Makhumalo was sitting there with Babu Musa Mseleku and her having to explain exactly why she's been trying. How she's been trying. Babu Musa Mseleku, she had to explain. You guys, like she's explaining how she's been trying to have a child with him. He knows her situation, he knows all the problems, yet Uthlela Pena Mama K making her explain ukuthi angizamanga yini bengingazami nawe na ngizama egameni lelo lokuthi wehlulekile to do what she was brought there for. Like as you know, Babu Musa Mseleku being a polygamist, wants big family, marrying many wives so that they can have many kids into Iganjalo. So Makhumalo is the wife who came and akabi na ingane, but she's been trying, you guys. She gets pregnant, but I think something happens and then we have lose abantwana. So for her having to sit there and explain to Babu Musa Mseleku bengazami like for me, you guys, I felt the pain because imagine my kid trying to explain to this man bengazami nawe asathi awuhlulekanga yini wena, athi maki ukuhluleka yini lokho, ukubiza ukuhluleka makade ngimile nginawe sizama lokho, sazama 1, sazama 2, sazama. He knows exactly what's happening when she gets pregnant. So why is he making her explain? You know what I mean? That clip is actually like, no man, no, it's a painful thing to watch. Umfazi having to argue with her man how she's been trying kulo mshado lona ukuba nengane echaza le ndoda le eyaziyo isimo sakhe. Like I don't get Babu Musa Mseleku there when it comes to that particular clip. I honestly do not understand why did he make her explain. That's a painful thing, you guys, especially mangabe uyabafuna abantwana and you awubatholi, right? Or uyabatholi uyakhulela and then things happen, you lose your kids. So sitting there with her and making her explain, ngeke Babu Musa Mseleku, you guys, like really? Asathi wena uhlulekanga yini? Uhlulekile yini, you guys? She's been trying. Why angayivumi IVF Babu Musa Mseleku? Komunye umfazi ahluphe. Yo, you guys, like it's painful, sham. Especially for the fact that he then went to marry uMakhwela and she got pregnant and all that. Bese kungathi yena unecala nje because yena akakabi nengane lapha yakamseleku. He's sitting there with her and letting her explain. Bengingazami yini nawe 1 no 2 no 3 ukubiza ukuhluleka lokho. Like you guys, the pain in me. Then I look at uMakhe like ngibheka nje ebusweni. like her facial expressions bayikhuluma noba umsamsele nje ukuthi bengingazami yini u1 no2 nginawe. So ngabe ukubiza ukuhluleka lo like ubehluleka yini you guys? Ukuhluleka ngempela baba umsamsele hayi ngeke. That part mangabe it's scripted or whatever, but that part is painful emuntwini oyibukayo ukuthi umyeni wakho indoda yakho like isingaze akuye kuhlale naye lapho. Okay, they are talking about their relationship, right? Because things obviously are not going well between them. Bese kuza that part yokuhluleka kwakhe ukuthi ubaba umsamsele was dragged by people after he said uMakhumalo wehlulekile ukwenza lento esamlethela yona la. And then people dragged him ukuthi what do you mean? You mean not having kids? Akuyona intando yakhe and all that. He was dragged by on that part. That was last season. He was dragged by fans ukuthi what the hell do you mean? And then he came with some stupid excuse to say no, it's not what I meant. I meant other things. That didn't mean lokho nina abantu senukucabanga ukuthi mina ngihluhleka ukuthola ingane. That's not what I meant. But that's what he meant. And then imehlela lapha noma K, this particular one that I'm talking about, she is saying to him, Tombeni, that's what you meant. That's what you meant. Uthi ngihlulekile ukwenza lento engayilethela la ekhaya. Akade athi awuhluleka ngayini wena? Like umsamsele himself uthi awuhluleka ngayi. He did say it to Makhumalo ukuthi awuhluleka ngani na. Then uyambuza ukubiza ukuhluleka wena lokho. Didn't I try this? Didn't I try that? Nginawe sinawe sizama. So ukubiza ukuhluleka lokho. Like it's no. He wasn't supposed to do that though. Ukuthi nje umfazi wabantu azithola hleli phambi kwendoda yakhe explain ukuthi kodwa sengizamile ukwenza ingane kodwa like it's very painful, you know what I mean? That was just something else when it comes to baba umsamsele ku. Kodwa kanti lo baba unjani vele? Lo baba unjani nje le ndoda inenhliziyo embi. Asethembe nje njengoba kuthiwa scripted what. Asethembe nje bayi actor ngoba mangabe it's real. Why would baba umsamsele make her like kind of explain herself into ebuhlungu kuyena kumakhosikazi wonke awu4 akhona nguyena ongenangane and make her sit there and just say angizama ngalokho angizama. Do you know how painful that can be? Shame poor Makhumalo, you guys. Like angazi ngawusubona ukuthi le ndoda that's why benenkinga kanje benganyathelani, because what do you mean? It's like akazwelani naye. It's like he just wants her to have kids. Uzoyenza kanjani? Umvumele phela ayenze le IVF nenze yona azokwazi ukuthola ingane ke if that's what you want. Does he think mhlambe le ngane ezibazoyenza through IVF izobinga yona yakhe ngezinye indlela or what? Why angamvumeli ukuthi ayenze? Ofuna ukuqhubeka mbona nje alokho aziphendulela alokho azikhulumela kanje. It's painful to watch as a viewer. I'm like, oh my K, you are going through so much. And lo baba lo ngathi akakuzweli, like he's so heartless lo baba man. Why did he say that inkulumo le engibhorele ukuthi awuhlulekanga yini engibhorele because akahlulekanga. She tried this, she tried that. Why zama nawe nje uyasho? Asizama ngasinawe na. So what did he mean when awuhlulekanga yini? Uhlulekene. Like uhlulekene. She's properly, nicely raising your daughter below like her own and umkhulisa kahle. Be grateful baba umsamsele ku, like honestly and financially allegedly sizokuthiwa nguyena othela bakamsele ku financially. So zikhona izinto nayo izifulu ngazo man. She's been trying, just leave her when it comes to that part of not having kids. Bangaloko bahlala phansi bayidiscuss uzokwenza kanjani kanti mangabe mhlambe is only God who knows. You know what I mean? It's a painful thing to watch, sitting there with her husband explaining ukuthi but sengiyangazama but sengiyahayibo. Explain kuyi baba umsamsele ku himself. I ngeke shame. That one for me I was like no man. It's a show, yes, it's a reality TV show. I did not know mhlamba mangabe ezinye izinto basuke sebezenzela thina ama viewers ukuthi sibe nento yoxoxa angazi. But ayimnandanga le clip is just something else, you know what I mean? Angazi, your thoughts in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe, share. Let's rather meet on my next one.